Okay. Good night, Riley. Click. Hey guys, I've invited for something that could keep Riley forever safe. That's a wonderful idea, Fear. You guys see my glasses somewhere? Alright, it's bedtime. When we can't go to sleep. Bro, look. Okay, Mr. Egghead, what this thing does. Ow, it's very difficult in explaining and... What? A big pepper nut like you don't want to explain his own friends. You know that make really angry. Oh my goodness. Now I'm too excited to go to sleep. And I can't wait for his fare. Yeah, if you want that anger give you blue eye and break a nose, then it's better to explain us about this thing. Oh yeah, don't play with the fire, buddy! Okay, there's video. You can go to sleep, but just take this remote with you, okay? But I'm too sad, and I'm tired to explain the seasons. Fluttershy. Oblina. Miles Edgeworth. Phoenix Wright. And remember, don't push the button. Oh, okay then. Oh, sadness. Huh? What the? Oh, come on, push me, my blue angel. What did Fear say to me before he leave me? Sadness, queen of diva. But before you go to sleep, I want that you just pushing those buttons. Let's eat some toast, yay! When he say so. Anger, please, it wasn't so bad. Your dumb explanations was boring, and that makes me very angry that, ow! Don't you dare to hurt my nose, you big dumb red bully. Zap. Huh? Sadness, what the heck is wrong with you? I said clearly, don't push those buttons. Did you listen to one of your silly imaginations again? I'm so sorry, but let me fix that. Zap. Ah! Turn it back! Oh my! I fake no one can express my own feelings. I can't express my anger, and I can't feel my legs. Sadness, help! Okay, let's do one more time. Sadness, you did it! Well, I'm gonna blame Fear for this mess. I'm just glad that horror is finally over. Okay, McNerd. Okay, McNerd. I think that is a big punch on your nose. Oh, please, Anger, don't give me a big punch on the nose like always. Oh, it's okay, we forgive you. Are you guys not mad at me? Even it was Sadness' idea to push the button. You know, everybody makes some mistake, and it's still even, and we must go to sleep. We go on Fear's bed. Good night, I guess. Seriously, why you guys act so strange? And since when I have a sacred room?